Hello friends, today I am in Kas Pathar, Satara. Behind me you can see this beautiful location, Kas Lake, and it's surrounded by mountains, this beautiful flowers around, and I thought of doing a book review out here. So today I'll be reviewing a book, Bakhtiyarpur by Pankaj Lochan. Here it goes. Nalanda, recognized as the world's first residential university, founded in the 5th century. It became one of the most ancient universities with large campus, libraries, some 2,000 teachers teaching 10,000 students, was at its peak in the 12th century until Bakhtiyar Khilji, the Turco-Afghan military general who destroyed Nalanda, the intellectual capital of India. Khilji's forces set fire to the grand libraries of Nalanda that led to the destruction of centuries of accumulated knowledge. 9 million books kept burning for 3 months. Monks, scholars, students were all killed. Monasteries destroyed. One of the most horrific events in the history of India. Nalanda was a city in Magadha that gave birth to kings, philosophers and saints. From Brihadrata to Bharadwaj, from Aryabhat to Nagarjuna to Varahamihir. Author Pankaj Lochan, through this book, Bakhtiyarpur, expresses his pain and sorrow to the world about today's Magadha, which is Bihar. When many of us today view Bihar as poverty, politics, and migration, it was once a lighthouse of knowledge and learning. So now all of us know that Bakhtiyarpur Junction, a railway station in Patna, is named after the infamous Bakhtiyar Khilji. And the author feels an insult in the name Bakhtiyarpur as it carries the legacy of the destructor. So through this book, I came to know the relation between Nalanda and Bakhtiyarpur, Magad and Bihar. Thanks to author Pankaj Lochan, who has changed my perspective about Bihar, yesteryear's lighthouse of knowledge. मैंने पंकज जी की दोनों किताबें पढ़ी है, Sanatan and Science and now Bakhtiyarpur. I must say, the author has taken genuine efforts to create awareness about our ancient past and also our rich cultural heritage that we possess. I urge you to read this book Bakhtiyarpur, which is available both in Hindi as well as English. So go grab it.